To YouTube freaks out there, my name is Chaz, his name is Kina, and we're here to show you some dynamic stretches and some static stretches. Sweet. I'll start off with the dynamic stretch for the gastrocnemius, known as the calf muscle. We'll do what they call a calf pump, so it's just your right leg after your left leg. You can do that for 10 seconds. That's a dynamic stretch. The static stretch is leaning up against something, putting one foot back and holding it for about 5 to 10 seconds, both legs. That's it for the gastrocnemius muscle. Next up we have the hamstring. This is the hamstring pull. This could be done from 5 to 10 seconds as well, both legs. Then we have the assisted hamstring stretch. So would you like to help me? Sure. 5 to 10 seconds on each leg. Change over. Yep. That's it for the hamstring muscle. Next up we have the quadriceps, the knee grab, high knee grab. So, this is the same as the others, 5 to 10 seconds, both legs. That's the dynamic one. Here's a static one, pretty much a lunge, 5 to 10 seconds on both. That's the quadriceps done. We move on to the adductors and the abductors, which is a squatting leg, leaning to both sides, 5 to 10 seconds. We have the sumo sit. Both your feet connected, pushing down on the hamstring and glutes, 5 to 10 seconds. Pause it.